Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to make yourself single on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the latest update. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started right away. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on that profile picture to go to your personal profile page. Next, on your profile page, find the menu and select the About section. This is where you can update all kinds of personal details about yourself, including your relationship status. Within the About section, scroll down until you see the Family and Relationships option. Click on it to enter that page where your relationship details are managed. Now, you'll want to find the option that says Add a Relationship Status. Click on that, and a list of relationship statuses will appear for you to choose from. Look through the options and select Single. This is the status you want to set to update your profile accurately. Finally, after selecting Single, make sure to click the Save button to confirm this change. Once saved, your Facebook profile will show that you are single. And that's it. You've successfully updated your relationship status on your Facebook profile using the app on your PC with the new update. It's straightforward and ensures your social media reflects where you are in life. Thanks for watching, and now you can easily keep your Facebook profile up to date with your current relationship status anytime you need. Enjoy your refreshed profile status.